how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps to create a YouTube channel. So in order to do so, you can start by opening up the YouTube application on your mobile device first. And once you are there, you may basically find your profile in the bottom right corner once you are logged in. After you tap on your profile here, you will be finding this particular interface right here, your profile, your history, your playlist, etc. And in order to create a channel, if you have not created one, right under your name in the top, you should be finding an option called Create a Channel. Tap on it and head over and follow up the process. Now, this is how you will be appearing. So you can just go ahead and provide a profile picture for yourself, or just go ahead and do so here. After that, you can customize your name. Before doing so, you can tap on the pen icon right beside it if you'd like to customize your name and tap on save. After that, you can even customize your handle name for your YouTube. So just go ahead and do so. Once you're okay with everything, all you gotta do is look out for the option called Create Channel and tap on it. And by tapping on it, you will be basically agreeing to the YouTube's terms and conditions. And there you go. Now your channel has been created. You can head over to your profile to view it and tap on your channel. And that's it. Now you can just go ahead and create a video, post your contents on YouTube videos, and do so. So if you'd also like to create a YouTube channel on phone, it is pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below and we will be seeing you in the next one.